everyone, it's Mrs. Wykoff here. I wanted to take a few minutes to show you around our Schoology course just to help you navigate through it a little bit. So when you log in every day, you're going to use your child's student QR code. I emailed the QR code and I also printed it and put it in your child's backpack. I sent them home on their staggered entry day. I laminated them for you, so you should be able to reuse them. So you'll scan that QR code and you're going to come in and you're going to click on courses. And when you get up here to courses, you're going to see all these blue ones. We're going to ignore those. We're just going to worry about this one with my Bitmoji here, where I'm super excited to see you. And it says homeroom. So click on homeroom. And this is what's going to pop up. So mine might look just a little bit different than yours. That's okay. So some of these things might be a little different. The first thing you'll see is my little welcome page here, and you'll scroll down and you'll find a few other updates and things. I'll show you around all of that. So first things first, I'm going to click this little box and I'm going to make it big for you. And there's a few links right here on this page that you can click to help you navigate. I have our online learning expectations. I'm going to be going over these with your learner on Thursday and Friday and as we start Zooms, but this is a great thing for parents to look at too, just so you know what is expected of these little ones. Then I click right here, I go home, and I'm back to my page. Our schedule is right here. If you need to remember what time our live lessons are or what blocks of time small groups might be, pay attention down here. I've got some office hours. If you need to log in to our Zoom link, that page I talked about where I had the two QR codes, one on the top was the Schoology link and the one on the bottom was our Zoom link. That's the link. You're going to use that link. That's the QR code to get you to our Zooms. You're going to use that for live lessons. You're going to use that for small group lessons. If you need to talk to me from that 2:30 to 3 o'clock time frame, questions, concerns, any of it, I'm a parent too. I know this is a lot, so this is why I'm trying to make it easy for you, but please come to me. So let me hit home. I'm going to get us back to the little Bitmoji page. My email's on here. I have several more links. These are clickable. Don't worry about those right now. We will talk more about using some of these other things. Also, I will be adding some more, like I'll add that Zoom link on here. And if you see new links pop up, it should all be clickable as things change. It'll automatically come. So automatically come to that part if I change anything. So next, if you scroll down, you're going to see some quick links to get to some of the most important things I've added. I've added our week at a glance. And there's another place you're going to find this. I'm going to show you both ways to access it. But the week at a glance is going to change every week. And it's going to be like a little calendar. I'm sorry, my computer's taking just a second to pull it up. I'm not sure what's going on. So there it is. So you're going to have the days of the week across the top. You're going to have the subject area coming down. I've got literacy, writing, and math, and social studies and science. You'll find a block where the live lessons will be. You saw that on the calendar. So 9 to 9:15 is my live lesson for literacy. And then there's an independent work time. Make this work for your family. I know I put that in the email, but this is when I will be having some small groups log into Zoom. I'll show you my small group schedule. I'll show you where to find that. But, you and your family, you can complete this work whenever is best for you. But this is a nice built-in time if that's convenient. As you'll scroll down, these little blue parts are clickable links, print and complete. So if I click on it, you're going to find my fun little Pete the Cat pop up because that's an activity I'm going to be working on earlier in the day with them. And so you could print that. If for some reason you can't get something printed, it's okay. Get out a piece of notebook paper, have them draw the picture that they were supposed to draw just on a blank piece of paper, or write the thing they were supposed to write just on a blank piece of paper. So let me come back to my calendar, my week at a glance. So these blue links are clickable. If you see a yellow box, that means that's something you're going to turn in. I want to see this. So this is something you'll take a picture of and you will turn that into me on Schoology. And that is an assignment. I'll show you where to find those assignments. So Thursday and Friday, you're going to have two things, one thing on Thursday and one thing on Friday that you'll take a little picture of and send that to me. So this is your week at a glance. Some people like to print it, cross it off as you go. You could keep it digital and just refer back to it. So I'm going to come back up here. I'm going to click back to my homeroom. And that's the week at a glance. This is our small group schedule right here. Hopefully, oh, here it comes. So everybody has a student number. And I put that page I sent home during staggered entry, on the back side of it, I wrote down your child's student number. That's the number you're going to look for on here. So let's pretend my daughter Riley's in kindergarten. So let's pretend Riley's number 5. She's not. One of you are number 5, but let's pretend. Oh, look, number 5 is right here in this block. So from 11:10 to 11:20, I'm going to spend some time with number 5. So look for your number, and you will log into Zoom using that same Zoom QR code, that same Zoom link for everything, the one you're using for live lessons and everything. You will log in for your small group at that time. And I tried to keep it simple for you, parents. I know this is so hard to navigate right now. So I tried to keep the kiddos coming to me for their small group on their Zoom link at the same time each day. I can't promise that it will stay that way forever, but I'm going to try to keep us pretty consistent for right now, so we're not having to keep track of too many times. But so yeah, you might want to print that out, stick it in the front of your binder, have it close by, set an alarm on your phone, whatever you need to do to remember what time your small group is coming. And I actually think that might be supposed to be 11:10 to 11:25. I think they're supposed to be 15-minute groups, so I'll adjust that. I'm finding my own errors as I go through. This is where I'll add a link to this video should you need to come back to navigate something. So as I keep going down, there's this fun message from Miss Latza and Miss Holland and Miss Crane. I hope you got to look through that. But I really, I want to point out, it's kind of hidden here, quarter 1. That's what quarter we're in. And this is another way to get to your links, your work for the week. So if I click quarter 1, and it should open up, and I have all the weeks laid out for us that are coming up. But right now we're in week 1, and I have the dates here. All right. So here comes our week at a glance again, should you need to see that again. My small group schedule, should you need to see that again. Also, then I have the days of the week. So Wednesday, all you need to do on Wednesday is take attendance. So important. So you're going to click on attendance, and it's going to pop up with a little quiz. And the question is just, are you here today? And since I'm in my teacher account, I'm not in a student account, it doesn't have the choice here, but it's going to have 2 little choices, and you're going to click, yes, I'm here today. And that's it. It is so simple. And then you submit it, and I'll know that you're here. So you have to take attendance every day from 8:30 to 9 o'clock. That is so very, very important. So let me get back to my week we were on. Every day you've got your attendance quiz. I've got it linked in each day. And then on Friday is the day that you have those 2 assignments due. Remember those yellow boxes on the week at a glance? So this is where you can click that. Those are due by Friday. It says print and complete, just like it did in that week at a glance. And then it tells you what to do. And there's going to be an option for you when you're looking at it from your profile, from your student profile. There's going to be an option for you to upload a photo and submit it. You can take a picture of it on the iPad. You can send it to your laptop and submit it that way. But you'll submit it through this quiz on here. So let me come back over here up to my week that we're in. And I know this first week, I don't have it ready for us, but my goal is eventually when you click on the day to have a little slideshow here for your child to just click through the slides. It'll say do your Zoom link now, do your independent work now, and I'm going to try to make it a little bit more user-friendly for these kindergartners as time goes on. So come in and click through those days, and as we get the hang of it a little bit more, that's something I'll be adding. It's like a little slideshow to help them get through each day. But for right now, we just have our big week at a glance calendar and then our small group schedule. So then, next week, by Friday, actually, of this week, by Friday, I'm going to have week 2 stuff in here. And you'll click there and you'll go in and you'll see, oh, look, I have my days. Up here at the top will be the new week at a glance. It'll be should be the same small groups for right now. But every week, this is what we're going to do to find our assignments. So let me come back over here to our homeroom, and I just want to show you one more thing, okay? If you look over here on the side, it's going to show you what you have up and coming. It's going to remind you, oh yeah, Wednesday is attendance. Thursday I have to do attendance. Friday I have those 2 assignments due. So there's a lot of different places where this stuff is going to be popping up on here to remind you, oh yeah, 2 assignments due this week. So those are due on Friday. You can click right here to submit them as well. You don't have to go in through the quarter 1 folder and then go into the week and then go into the assignment. If you see it over here, you can click it right from here as well. So I hope that helps. I know it can be a little bit confusing. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and hopefully we can navigate through this together, get more comfortable with it as time goes on. I can't wait to get to know you guys and your learners better. I'm looking forward to a good year. Please, please reach out to me if you guys need anything. Have a great night. I will talk with you soon.